If you make portrait slides or handouts like resumes in Keynote and need to print them, by default they will print in landscape orientation, which is not what you want. I'll show you how to print them in portrait mode. Let's first see what happens when I try to print this resume. I will go to File, Print, and save it as a PDF so you can see how it would print. When I open the file, you can see that it would print as landscape, which is not what we want. So let's go back to our file and press Command P to get to the Print Setup screen. Scroll down and select the Page Attributes. Check that the paper size is 8.5 by 11, and it is. And now change the orientation to Portrait. I can verify the size of the print file by opening it in Preview and going to Tools, Adjust Size. When I select inches, I can see that the size of the image is 8.5 inches in width and 11 inches in height, so portrait orientation. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching.